What are you eating? What are you eating, Malia?
Stop fooling around. Let's go.
Stop fooling around? We're not allowed to have any conversation unless it's about you, huh? And your dad.
Is that good? Are you almost done?
No.
No? It's good yogurt, huh? She didn't hear you.
I don't get, it completely disappeared. I didn't put it in my drafts. I didn't have to take two, and I didn't return it to you.
That's okay. I can do it again.
Gone, disappeared. You're welcome.
Welcome. She said, welcome. You're welcome. Yeah. See, that's my spoon.
Turn that around so you can see the name of it. I'm dead serious about it.
Wait, where's the...
Between that kid and, are you kidding me?
Right there? Is that it?
Uh-huh.
Can't see it from mine.
Our black lab.
Yeah.
I used to eat Dannon, and so he would stick his nose in it and do this thing I sand it in. Oh my god, I didn't make it.
Uh-oh. See, is there still some in there? Oh yeah. A little bit left. Resting? Jumping? Jump? Who's that? The hippo. The hippo wants some yogurt. Yogurt. Oh, yogurt for the hippo. Thank you. Okay, Malia, eat it. Malia, eat it. Yeah, there's a big girl over there. Are you all done? All done with this?
No.
No. All done?
I like.
Can we throw it away? And go wash your face? No, there's still some in there? Let me see. Just a little bit left.
Bye, honey. I think you need the whole roll.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
She gave you a roll of paper towels. Look at that. That's all for you. And your messy face. And paper towel. Can you get one? Get a paper towel. There you go. Pull. Pull. Oh. Oh. Pull hard. You gotta pull hard. Oh. Wow. Can you wipe your mouth? Chico. How about your nose? You have yogurt on your nose. Okay. Good job. Thank you. Can Auntie wipe your face?
No. Apple.
Some for the hippo. Okay, Malia, say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye to the phone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. It's all gone. Look at that face. There's that face. Ooh, boy. Hi. And goodbye. Ooh. Do you want to see it? Okay, here.
Hi.